Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can regain access to an Excel file that's actually been able to edit the content of an Excel sheet after losing or forgetting your password. Okay, now what we are going to do is if you notice we can't actually edit the content of this file. So if I try entering values here, I'll be prompted with this which says I can't enter or modify the content of this document unless I enter the password. Okay, I assume we've forgotten the password, so I'll just go and close this file and move straight to what we're supposed to do. First, what you're supposed to do is you back up your file. Make sure you always back up your file. So I'm going to copy the file and paste it. So I'll do Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I have a backup of it in case something goes wrong during the course of carrying this action. So what you do next is you go to View and then you make sure you check this box which says File Name Extension. This will enable you edit the extensions of all your files, or to even be able to see the file extensions. So what I'm going to do is rename this file. You can right click and say rename, or you just double click on the extension like I did. So you right click and say rename, and then you change this to zip. You hit enter. Now what you do next is you open this file. When it opens, you open the Excel folder, you go to worksheets, then you have the sheet which is protected. In your case, you might have more than one sheet. So with respect to the manner which those sheets are organized in that file, let's just open this and see how it looks like. So in your case, you might have more than one sheet, so you need to, assuming you had a second sheet and this is what was protected, so you are going to edit sheet 2, right? So we are going to continue with what we're doing. So that was on WinRAR, so I'll open WinRAR. Now sheet 1, what I'll do is I'll click, hold and drag this to this folder. After dragging, I'll right click on this file and say open with, and I'll choose notepad. I'll go ahead and maximize this. Now what you want to do is you go to format, you go to word wrap, then you say edit and then go to find. What you are searching for is protection. Now you say find next. You close this, you scroll to the bottom. Now we want to delete the part that contains the password, so we are going to search for the opening tag, this sign you see here, that's the less than sign, and then you search for the next / and greater than sign, which is this, right? So we're going to delete everything that falls within this and this. So I'm going to highlight this and here. Yours could fall anywhere, maybe here, maybe down here. So I'm just going to delete this and hit backspace and delete. Now you save your work, that's Ctrl S, or you just go to files and then you say save. Now we are going to close this and then you open WinRAR once more and then you drag sheet 1 into it. You drop, you click on OK, you close this and then you rename your file to what it was. So I'm going to right click and say rename. Now I'll change it to an Excel file which is XLSX and I'll hit enter. Now if we open this file, you actually see that the file size has changed. That's 25 kilobytes and 23 kilobytes. So if you check, this is a normal file, that's the one we forgot the password, and this is the backup. So we'll open this and if you try editing, you see we can edit the content of this file, right? Whereas on this, we can't edit the content of this sheet. So if you try and do something, they'll prompt you to enter a password. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.